There you go. So guys, every train's there, misuse. KT06AHC. Fucking idiot. Down, okay, time is now 18:05 on Monday the 16th of October 2017, crossing is down for hour 18:09, 5 November 54, South Western Railway service from Ascot to Farnham CSD. Best bet is to be 456s. I'm going to come over this side, because the train's coming from that way. I saw some people were trying to go then over there, but then thought against it, which was wise. So I saw that Audi who was toying with the idea. You can't really honk a level crossing, mate. Not really the best place to have crossing, granted, but still, mate, you gotta wait till the train clears. I had a job interview today, got the job. I'm happy about. Part-time work, about 10-12 hours a week, which ain't bad with £7.50. Well, you got paid for the trial shift as well, so I got 22 quid. Which I was happy about. I think that's the week lined up for me. A bit of drinking money for Friday, because I'm 18 on Friday. Right. There's empty stock movement coming in. Empty stock movement from Ascot. Should just be coming around the corner about now. And that's what's just come on saying do not stand away from the train platform 2, this train's not in use. And yes, this is class 456s. Four, 5, 6, 023. 456-023 to 456-013. 456-023 and 013 to Farnham CSD. And up they go. And out go the lights. And thanks guys for seeing this video.